Hi, my name's Kristen. I'm a professional organizer. And if you have an organizing project and you don't know where to get started, here's the top 5 places you can start. Set a timer. Sometimes we just need to get started and create some momentum. Time's up, you're done. Start with the smaller spaces, a drawer, a shelf. That way you can start to warm up those decision-making skills for the bigger projects. Also, if you can complete it from beginning to end, it's going to build decluttering confidence. Create a little sanctuary for yourself. Just a place where you can clear out the clutter quickly. You have a place where you can clear your mind. Also, you can refresh and reset and feel like you can create some separation from all the clutter elsewhere. Start by picking one category. It could be trash, clothes, or books. If it's a massive project, you're going to want to start with your large storage spaces because, well, that's the backbone of your home. Garages and basements. Things are going to sift and filter into those areas, and you're going to want a lot of room for staging.